Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an image slider on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, what we're going to be doing here to add the image slider is we're going to be embedding a third-party widget, which I'll show you right now, and it is called the Squarespace Image Slider plugin by Elfsight. You can create the widget for free and then embed it into your site, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So just click on create a widget for free, and you can then select the template you want to start with. I'll go with full width slider, so just go ahead and click on that and choose continue with this template. Here you can just add slides if you want, and I'll go ahead and add one of my slides. You can click here and add an image slide if you want to. However, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the sample titles, and as you'll see, this has the exact thing that you're looking for. This is an image slider which we're going to be embedding. So let's say we want these images, so just go ahead and click add to website for free. You're going to have to select a plan. However, I'm going to select the free plan. This for some reason happens every time, or I might not even need to, but let's go ahead and click on publish, and as you can see, yeah, you do need to select a free plan, so just go ahead and select the free one, and now it's going to take you here, and now you can embed the code right over here. You can just go ahead and copy that code, go over into your Squarespace site, select the block where you want to add the slider. Let's just go ahead and delete these images right over here, just so that I have some space to work with for the slider. Go ahead and delete this, go ahead and add a block, add the embed segment, and on the embed block, I'm just going to go ahead and stretch it over the entire page, just like that. Click on the pencil icon, go ahead and go into code snippet, embed data, paste the code we did previously, and as you can see, you will need to preview it in safe mode since it does disable any scripts from running during the editing portion of your page. Then once I'm in safe mode, click save, and I'll go ahead and click exit, and it should show me a preview of the slider right over here. And as you can see, the slider is over there, but for some reason it's not showing any images. There we go. Once that loads up, now we have the slider on our page, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.